Welcome to Live In and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. We've got 3 messages today. The first message is I place the future in the hands of God. A healed mind does not plan. It carries out the plans that it receives through listening to wisdom that is not its own. We are so used to planning to the T in this world, controlling everything. And now is the guidance to go within, listen to the wisdom from within, and place the future in the hands of God. The second card today is take a break. It's okay to take a break and enjoy your creations. To take a moment from your busy schedule, to get off the treadmill of life, to appreciate and acknowledge all that you have created, achieved, released, or experienced before rushing on to the next thing, to be in the moment and enjoy where you are, to take a breath and regather your mind, body, and spirit, to recalibrate, appreciate, and celebrate, to decide what you really want to experience next. If you take a moment, you're not going to miss out. Perhaps you've just completed a big project, manifested something significant in your life, released an old way of being, or just been burning the candle from both ends. Now is the time to take some time out before rushing on to the next thing. You did it. Enjoy yourself, recalibrate, go on vacation, book a massage, take long walks in nature, go away for a rejuvenating weekend to recharge and replenish. So, work your light action is take a break and a breath. So, just relax. So, instead of constantly trying to control everything, take a break, take a breath, enjoy your life, enjoy yourself, enjoy your company, others' company, spend some time in nature, and that way you will get rejuvenated and you will also get clarity on what you need to do next. Our third card today is Pleiades, double mission, channeling, and uplifting humanity. The Pleiadians are a group of star beings dedicated to raising the vibration of the planet and sharing new consciousness through creations and technology. They have been incarnating on Earth since near beginning of humanity. You are a soul who has a double mission to grow at soul level and to raise vibration of the planet. If you've been called to write, speak, or channel, this is your sign to keep doing it. Your work is divinely guided. Of all the souls, Pleiadians are the chattiest. And so perhaps you already started channeling some of this work into third dimension. Thank you for doing your part in a great plan. Your presence and unique light is needed. This is a transmission card. So hold your hands on your heart and say, I call upon Pleiadian consciousness of the highest realms and highest good of humanity to work through me. Let me be a channel for only the purest light of the essence of Source. Let me channel in a way that also serves me. So you have a double mission. If you are here listening to these messages, means that you are a light worker or a starseed, or you are on the path of spiritual awakening, and that's why these messages are reaching you. So you have a mission, not just to awaken, not just to remember your soul's mission and your soul's gifts, but also to share them with the world and anchor that light here in the 3D world on this earth. We are here at a very significant juncture of awakening, and we all have here our own unique part to play. Those are the messages today, very powerful. Take care. Lots of love.